Start by preparing the crust first and place 3 egg whites in a bowl if the eggs are larger. If smaller, feel free to add 4. Whisk them with 3 tablespoons of sugar. After whisking the egg whites well, add 1 yolk at a time and 50 milliliters of oil, pouring gradually. Then sift 2 tablespoons of soft flour, 5 grams of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. After sifting, mix everything with a spatula. Once all ingredients are combined, the crust mixture is ready. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then line the baking pan with parchment paper. Grease the edges of the pan with oil to make it easier to remove the crust. The dimensions of this pan are 25 by 25 centimeters, or you can use the smaller 30 by 20 centimeter pan. If you prefer a thicker crust, add 1 more egg. After leveling, tap the pan once or twice. And bake. The crust is baked. Baking time is about 20 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven. Let it cool in the pan. Once cooled, remove the paper and return the pan, as we will fill it in this pan. Poke the crust with a fork, then pour milk over it. You can choose between chocolate or regular milk. I made this chocolate milk. Pour and let the crust absorb the milk. I need to pour slowly to avoid spilling. If using a baking dish, just pour and leave. 500 milliliters of whipped cream. This is plant-based, pre-sweetened. If using dairy, add powdered sugar. Now whisk it. Whisk the sweet cream lightly, then add a small amount of sour cream. It won't be sour, don't worry. If you don't like it, add 100 milliliters of milk. Add 300 grams of plasma biscuits. Instead of sour cream, use yogurt or Greek yogurt. Now whisk everything together again. We didn't whisk completely as the mixture becomes thicker. Finish mixing with a spoon or spatula. Combine everything well. Since we're using plant-based cream and biscuits that absorb well, the mixture will thicken. Add 200 milliliters of cold milk. Continue whisking everything together. Once everything is combined, the filling is ready. It may seem a bit runny, but it should be like this. After filling the crust and refrigerating, the filling will set further. Now spread the filling evenly over the crust. Press the filling to avoid air pockets. You can make this cake with whipped cream if you don't have sweet cream. Or it might be a cheaper option. Then add about 100 grams of whipped cream, whisk with 200 milliliters of milk. You won't need as much milk afterward. You'll need less. Once leveled, decorate as you prefer. Look how nice these cubes look.